Is that a different video? Ah! Okay, we're gonna get the people.
Take him to the hospital. He is dying. We need to save his life. Squirrel and a bird feeder. See what I can do. Ooh, no. Hello, squirrel. What you doing? Bye bye.
Squirrel. Ew. Oh my god. Oh god, put it down. Whoa.
Are you ready?
Wait. That's so nasty. Okay, pick it up. Oh my goodness. You're just carrying a dead squirrel around. Throw it all across the street. I dare you. Like, chunk it. Just chunk it. Car. Run. Come on, let's get in our neighborhood.
Did you film that?
Yes.
You did?
Yeah.
Are you gonna put on Rocky the Snake?
Whoa, this neighborhood doesn't look too safe.
You want to?
I'm not gonna put that.
The randomest video ever. Dang it, where's Mr. Pan?